Hi everybody, this is Hassan from 10th standard from Sun's Mission. Today I am in front of you to discuss the topic transportation system in human beings. So first of all, we need to know that what are the important terms that related to the transportation system in human beings. So as I have written here, the important terms, the blood. So blood is a fluid connective tissue, as you all know that. Blood consists of a fluid materials called plasma, and blood transports the food materials, oxygen and waste materials to different part of the body. Now come to the blood vessels. Blood vessels are the structure in which they carry the blood, a tube-like structure. They carries the blood from heart to the different part of the body to different part of the cell. So in blood vessels there are the two types of vessels that we will get here, the arteries and the vein. What are the arteries? Arteries are blood vessels which carries the oxygenated blood mainly, and the veins are the blood vessels which carries the deoxygenated blood. Now come to the pulmonary arteries and pulmonary veins. So what is pulmonary arteries? As I have said you that arteries that carries the oxygenated blood and veins that carries the deoxygenated blood. But here there is an exception, the pulmonary arteries. In pulmonary arteries, pulmonary veins, they carry the oxygenated blood, and in pulmonary arteries they carry the deoxygenated blood. So now we go to the main topic, the transportation system in human being. So we'll start from the lungs. As the blood is purified there and the oxygenated blood comes through the pulmonary veins, and enter into the left auricle. So left auricle, when the blood is collected or gained by the left auricle, then it is relaxed. So now we need to remember that we have the fourth chamber of the heart, that is left auricle, left ventricle, right auricle and right ventricle. So as the blood enters in any chamber of the heart, then the chamber would relax and in return they will contract. So as the oxygenated blood that comes through the pulmonary arteries and enter into the left auricle and get relaxed, and in return it contracts and it goes to the left ventricle. So after that, when the left ventricle collects the blood, oxygenated blood, and after that it in return it pumps the blood and it goes through aorta to different part of the bodies. When the oxygenated blood goes to different part of the bodies, the cells that take the oxygenated blood and use the oxygen and produce energy and carbon dioxide. So when the carbon dioxide mix with the blood, then that becomes deoxygenated blood or carbon dioxide rich blood. So after that, when the carbon dioxide rich blood is released by the cell, then it goes through the vein, and from the lower part of the body, all this deoxygenated blood goes through the inferior vena cava and enter in the right auricle, and the upper part of the body, that is superior vena cava, that takes all the deoxygenated blood and enter into the right auricle. So when the right auricle contracts, it goes to the right ventricle. When the right ventricle fulfills, after that for the oxygenation of the blood, this right ventricle contracts and it goes through the pulmonary arteries and it sent to the lungs. So what are the, as we have seen here, that the blood goes from left auricle to right auricle, from right auricle to different part of the body. After that it goes to the inferior vena cava, then right auricle, then right ventricle, then again goes to the lungs. This is the circulation that we have, this is the circulation that we can see or we can recognize that is happening in our body daily, gradually. So now we are coming to the point why this circulation is known as a double circulation reaction, double circulation. So from as I have said that from the lungs it comes to the blood, oxygenated blood comes to the left auricle, then goes to the left ventricle. After that it goes to different part of the body, and that blood, the oxygenated blood goes to the right auricle, and from right auricle it goes to the right ventricle. As we can see that the blood goes twice in our heart. It goes from left to right and from right to right. So as the blood goes twice in our heart, the blood enters twice in our heart. So this circulation is known as double circulation. now we can see here that the muscle that is present below the heart, down of the heart, that is interventricular septum. So you can see that this interventricular septum is thicker than the upper part. So there should be a reason why this interventricular system is thick. As you all know that I have said you that left ventricle that contracts and it the blood goes oxygenated blood to different part of the body. So while pressurizing the left ventricle, it needs some pressure. So to send the body to different part of the cell, different part of the organ. So this interventricular septum helps to contract easily or create a pressure in which the blood goes to different part of the body easily. Now you come to the point that the heart is divided into two parts, right and left. So why it is divided into right and left? Actually, we are the human beings. We are the special creature or the important species or the complex species. We are functioning an important work as I am giving a speech in front of you. I need energy. So to create energy we need lots of oxygen. So the heart is divided into two parts, right and left. Left carries or in the left part of the heart that contains oxygenated blood, and in the right part of the heart it contains deoxygenated blood. We need sufficient amount of oxygen for the requirement of energy that goes to different part of the cell and create energy. For that, this heart is divided into two. So this was the topic in front of you. From here I am concluding. Assalamu alaikum.